I want to welcome you to the Global Student Forum.
By being here today, you've got such a unique opportunity to make a difference, and you'll learn so many facts that you can take them back to your school and just try and help people.
Make sure you're making a difference for this generation, and you can count for something. We've seen videos, we've heard from schools that each year they've done something after this conference that they can be remembered for, and they've had an impact on younger generations, and they've spurred on their own schools to participate.
It's your world. You're the citizens of this world now. You're the future leaders of this world. We're going to give each school all of the material from this conference and the rights to run your own regional Global Student Forum for local schools. What is it that you hope to achieve through that?
We're actually merging 3 schools into a post-16 centre, so we're bringing together nearly 600 students, and this is part of their induction programme. Then they're going back into their primary schools and their secondary schools to do the same work.
Open my eyes, and hopefully we can go back to our schools and do assemblies and just show other people that a lot needs to be done.